Today I'm going to be installing the Jeyi ArcticStorm liquid cooler. This is a 360 millimeter radiator onto my gaming PC down here, or an editing PC. I have a 7900X. So we're going to do a sound test beforehand and get some CPU temps just with my air cooler. Sorry, kind of hard to see right there. And then we're going to compare it to what it looks like with the Jeyi. So let's get into it. All right, we started the benchmark here. And you can see the CPU is at 95 degrees C, and our core speed is only about 4600, where the boost of this CPU should be about 5300. And you can hear how loud the CPU fan is. That's the main thing I'm trying to fix with this Jeyi water cooler. So let's see if we can improve this, maybe get that up to like 5300 and reduce that temp a little bit. Let's check it out. Here is the first look. It looks very clean. I love the white. It's gonna match my white build very good. You can see here I'm putting on the AM5 brackets. They just screw on. And then from here, I'm about ready to mount. Okay, now we've got the radiator mounted in there. It's gonna look very good with the white GPU, white AIO, white case. And to mount it, I just put these screws in up top here. Super easy. Now we just gotta plug in the fan cables and mount the AIO. All right, got it all installed here, guys. Let's go ahead and boot this up, make sure everything works, and then run that benchmark again. Here is the final product. My temps are way, way down. Even with a 7900X, I'm sitting at 45C, just sitting here idle, which is crazy. Give you a quick close-up look of it. I mean, it looks just so good. It's got the Jeyi logo in the middle there, the awesome white lights. Overall, the fans are pretty quiet. One thing I would note is that you want to set the pump to 100%, and then you can set the fan curve for your CPU, whatever you want to do. But overall, I'm super happy, guys. This turned out amazing. A nice little budget AIO. Definitely check it out.